Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the AMD Ryzen 5 3600. It's a 6-core 12-thread analog desktop processor with Wraith stealth cooler, baby, awesome. Socket is AM4. This world's most advanced processor in the desktop personal computer gaming segment can deliver ultra-fast 100 plus frames per second performance in the world's most popular games. 6 cores and 12 processing threads bundled with a quiet AMD Wraith stealth cooler with a maximum temperature of 95 degrees Celsius for 2 GHz maximum boost unlocked for overclocking, 35 MB of game Cache DDR4 3200 support for the advanced socket AM4 platform. It can support PCIe Express 4 on X570 motherboards. That's an awesome, really good central processing unit. The AMD Ryzen 5 3600 series gaming fully unlocked processor is awesome. Say hello to our esports friend. Everyone deserves a powerful processor. Uncompromising features and smooth performance are finally the standards for every gamer and artist. Of course, high performance cooler is included. Of course, you can dock another fan on it. Oh yeah, that's possible. But here comes the CPU with a nice and good and quiet cooling system. The AMD Wraith stealth cooler is cool, quiet, and it comes with a low profile. Yeah, we have so many cores, 6 of them, 12 threads. Of course, the CPU is available with 8 cores too, but this is so much more expensive. So the best solution is get the 6 cores to a good price. The maximum frequency is 4.2 GHz. Yeah, that's a lot. Game cache is 35 MB. TBT is 65 watt. That means the TDP is not so much high. It is a good performing CPU with a low power consumption. PCI Express version are 4.0. The unlocked for overclocking is precision boost overdrive possible. Oh yeah. And the inbox cooler is the Wraith stealth. And of course you have to look at your socket. The socket is the AM4, and this your motherboard has to require. This this socket has to be on your motherboard. Then you can install this Ryzen awesome CPU. That's the AMD Ryzen 5, and it's really easy to attach, as you can see in that video. And after this, you have the full power on your rig. The AMD Ryzen 5 3600 with a 6-core 12-thread, it's unlocked, and the desktop processor with Wraith stealth cooler on board. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.